Right. Hello guys. It is Nanako here, aka Mako-chan. I'm going to show you how to add basic movement in to like your Scratch projects. So we're going to use this little cute little yellow specimen. Frog blink. Anyways, if you want, it's really optional. But if you don't want to use arrow keys, then I'd recommend go watching like another tutorial on how to make smooth movement. I don't know who made that video, but you search it up and it'll come up. But anyways, you have to put like key press blocks and change it to like these settings. If you want, you could just get this code out of a project, but that's called being a bum and lazy. So I wouldn't recommend. Unless you really don't know, just copy this script. Dang, my hand is cramping. Well, it's not that much of a surprise since I've been using my laptop all day. But anyways, so now you got your code. But this isn't the end of the tutorial. So you're gonna wanna drag when clicked block because that's what runs your script, unless you're using broadcast. And just do that and put it when clicked. But anyways, you're gonna have to go into the motions and find these two blocks, alright? And then you gotta change the value of them. So for this one, I'm changing it to -10 because the left is always the negative side in Scratch's case. And the right side always the positive side. And you're gonna have to get the Y blocks and basically just do the same. You can do a different number, like you don't have to do 10, but looks like the tutorial for you guys. By the way, Archie, if you're watching this, charge your phone. Now, collision. So for collision, you have to make like two variables. I remember. So I'm gonna try to use my best memory for this. Um, by the way, you're gonna need a forever loop. Dang, my hands are actually cramping right now, bro. Bro, just a broad. Now, wait, let me just name my player. Player slash thing. Now I'm gonna make. A woo. Well, a curved wall. So, guys, you can use any color for this, but I'm gonna go with purple since it's the color of Utane Uta. My favorite Uta. Plus, Momone Momote Toruko. I don't namin Neritsu because she looks like a wedding cake. I mean, like, am I wrong? She actually does look like a wedding cake. Right, guys, bear with me for a second. Don't click off the video. But make sure to like and subscribe. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm using Scratch add-ons. Just search up Scratch add-ons and add it to your Chrome browser. Unless you're mobile, just add it to Chrome. And yeah. Now, time for the variables. Let me just delete this one because it's very... Now, you're gonna make one called exposition. By the way, you don't have to add any code to the wall. And then Y position. Position. Wait a minute. I just had the problem with typos. So, anyways, hold up. I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking. So what you want to do is grab those two variables and get the two variables, put them in here, if then block. Now you want to go to sensing, and if touching curved wall. I'd recommend just using the touching sprite block because I'm not getting that color. Takes two, bruh. Anyways, a little yellow abomination is gonna collide us all. By the way, you can test to see if that's not really how the collision is working yet. As you can see, we're just doing weird stuff. So we're gonna have to get another the if then blocks. Because I'm trying to use a tutorial to teach you guys using a tutorial. I'm just taking some info. Wait a minute, should a tutorial even be this long? Unless I'm Griff Patch, I don't think it should be this long. But anyways, you're gonna have to get one now. You're gonna have to do this. Get a block. Get like set block. Now you're gonna change this to Y position, as you can see. But now we're gonna go into motion and then get X position and put it into X position, the variable. And then we're gonna put Y position in there. Like, it's pretty simple, guys. Like, it's pretty straightforward. Now let's test it. I mean, I don't think it's the best, but it pushes you out too far. Hold up, guys. Does someone can you have a YouTuber does do tutorials? I think I do. But anyways, guys, do you think I'm like really good at Scratch? I've not really posted much, but I made a game called Robo Maze. I managed to do the movement, collision, and make the maze. And it took me like 2 days to make. Considering it's the 20th. Feels like it's really just there. I woke up pretty late, so I guess that's just me. Oh yeah, the tutorial. Where did I put that dang script? I gotta fix this real quick, guys. You see, already put that in. Take that out. Because I think I might have did something wrong. You know, I think I'm actually gonna change that to -5. Guys, we're changing this to -5. Do I sound Scottish or British? Guys, why do you go around saying bottle of water? Like British people go around saying bottle of water, ha ha ha. Like, boy, get your butts on here. Like that one dog into what the dog doing. But anyways, let's test this. Right. It's just because my computer is kinda slow. I mean my laptop. But anyways, guys, you got your collision. It's not the best, but it's the least I can do. So, bye. Player thing says I'm working with a keyboard here. Say bye back. But anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video.